Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first animal is donkey. This is donkey. Donkey. The next animal is panda. A panda is a wild animal. This is a panda. The next point is a shark. This is a shark. A shark is a sea animal. A cow. A cow is a farm animal. Penguin. This is penguin. A tiger. This is a tiger. A clownfish. This is a clownfish. A seahorse. This is a seahorse. A sea lion. This is a sea lion. A starfish. This is a starfish. A polar bear. Giraffe. This is giraffe. Alligator. This is alligator. A shark.